Turmeric is a bright yellow-orange spice commonly used in recipes and sauces. It comes from the turmeric root. The spice has been used for its medicinal, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties for thousands of years. The primary active component of turmeric and the one that gives the spice its characteristic yellow color is curcumin. In fact, you can credit curcumin as the compound responsible for most of turmeric's potential health benefits. Also, as you age, increasing turmeric intake, as well as an appropriate Medicare Plan coverage, can assist in proper care. Because of this, turmeric is a great thing to cure some of our health problems. Here are some of the most powerful health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric prevents cancer. As inflammation is linked to tumor growth, anti-inflammatory compounds such as curcumin, which can be found in turmeric, plays a big role in treating and preventing a variety of cancer types, including colorectal, pancreatic, prostate, breast, and gastric cancers. It also prevents the spread of tumor cells from forming in the first place. It can do this in several ways, including disrupting the formation of cancerous cells at various stages in the cell cycle, interfering with cell signaling pathways, and even causing those cancerous cells to die. Controls diabetes. One of the easiest ways through which you can control diabetes is by consuming turmeric root extract. That can help in reducing insulin resistance that leads to rise in blood sugar levels. It also improves the functioning of beta cells, which are beneficial for diabetes. Take note that turmeric can cause lower blood sugar, so make sure to consult your doctor before taking turmeric. Relieves arthritis. Arthritis means you have inflammation in a joint. It's chronic in rheumatoid arthritis, but also present osteoarthritis. Your body makes inflammatory proteins called cytokines, and a huge number of them are controlled by one molecule. Turmeric also targets specific inflammatory cells and blocks certain enzymes that lead to inflammation. Immunity booster. Immunity is our body's natural defense against disease-causing bacteria and virus. It can considerably reduce the odds of getting sick. Turmeric aids in making our immunity stronger. The main life-saving ingredient in turmeric is about 3 to 5% of curcumin, a phytoderivative, which contains healing properties. However, because of the low percentage levels in standardized turmeric powder, it is difficult to reap all benefits by just taking turmeric in small doses, and thus supplements could be required. Reduces cholesterol levels. Turmeric demonstrated substantial improvements in good cholesterol while reducing bad cholesterol. This conclusion suggests curcumin may potentially protect against arterial diseases by modulating the blood lipid profile. Turmeric can improve blood lipid profiles in patients who are obese, diabetic, or have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, metabolic syndrome, or acute coronary syndrome. In other words, turmeric performs best if you have a condition that subjects you to a greater risk of high cholesterol. Weight management. Though turmeric suppresses the fat tissue growth and helps to reduce inflammation, it is no weight loss miracle. One should surely incorporate turmeric in their every meal. However, you also have to make sure you create a calorie deficit if you want to lose weight. The combination of right diet and exercise is what will help you lose weight in a healthy manner. Improve digestion. Because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can contribute to healthy digestion. It's used in Ayurvedic medicine as a digestive healing agent. But take note that if you suffer from gallbladder disease, you should not take turmeric, as that can make it worse. Heals wounds. The curcumin found in turmeric can help wounds heal by decreasing inflammation and oxidation. It also lowers the response of your body to cutaneous wounds. This results in your wounds healing more quickly. Turmeric positively affects tissue and collagen as well. Applying curcumin is an optimized formula to best work on skin wounds. It appears that there are health benefits to including turmeric in your diet. The golden spice supports immune health, helps relieve pain, and can aid in digestion, among other things. But because of some of its side effects, turmeric may not be worth taking for some people. It is important to use caution when deciding whether turmeric is something you need to try. As with any alternative therapy, speak with your doctor before you use turmeric to treat any health condition that you have.